Hi guys, it's Summer and welcome back to Summer Nicole. And today I'm going to be you guys are going to come with me and you're going to do a packing with me video. I don't know what this all is on my case. I'm going to rip that off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be packing my case ready for holiday. I'm going on holiday on Sunday. I'm going to be vlogging it and I'm going to post it the Tuesday I come back. I'm going on Sunday and I'll be like coming back on the next Sunday and I'll post it on the Tuesday because I have time to edit it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's go. Guys, I took off all like the wrapper. Here it is, like all of it. And now I'm just going to show you like what it's like inside my suitcase. Hopefully you saw me. So here is my suitcase. It has like London, Rio. It has like all different stuff. It has like the Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty. I love this case. So yeah, very big inside. Here's like all my clothes are gonna go. Here's like all of like in here, all like my hair stuff. Then under here I can fit more stuff like socks and all stuff like that. So yeah, let's get packing. Woo! Susie came to join. He's in my suitcase. Can you get out? There's Susie. So now, I'm just going to give you a tour of what I've got. So I've got some leggings. I probably won't use them. I'm also going to take my black ones. I've got some stuff packed in here, like the bottom bit. And then I've got some t-shirts and stuff, which I'm packing right now. And then I just need to ask my mum where the t-shirts I want are. So yeah, let's carry on. So guys, I have like finished packing like all the clothes I'm going to take on holiday. I need to pack a bit more, but yeah, let's show you what I packed. So in here, like here's like the actual case that I was telling you about. There's the Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, Big Ben. It has like lots of Rio, Paris, London, New York, all of that. And then we open the glorious thing. I love the suitcase and it has 4 wheels, that's why I wanted it. Literally, that's the only reason. It's a bit difficult to open. Here's my foot. Okay, I'm going to sit you guys there. Hopefully you can see. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Got it open. Yay. And then you open it. And I have the clip here. So here I have like a jumper because it might get a bit cold. Not really though. Have a dress here. Have another dress to pack. I have my dungarees. And I also have my jumpsuit and my beach dress. And here I have like more my crop tops, my jeans and my leggings. And my t-shirts. Yeah, let's show you the next one. So guys, now I'm going to show you the next part of my case, which is here. So in it, I'm just going to open it for you guys. I have my socks, my other stuff, and yeah. So that was like my case for now. I'll give you an update if I do anything else. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and if you want a shout out in my next video, comment down below. If you've gone any, if like, what's your dream place to go to? If you went on holiday, what would be the place you wanted to go to? Bye.